Feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Fool, you know how we do it. West side, coming from the west side. Nothing but the west side.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daisha, and as you can see by today's title, I have moved into a new apartment. Let me clarify, everyone thinks I moved in alone. I'm only 16. Can I do that? I'm with my sister and my mother. I wanted to do an empty apartment tour for you guys, but I honestly completely forgot because it's been so much going on that it's pretty crowded right now, but not really crowded. So I might still do a little bit, but there's gonna be a lot of new videos coming out of my room tour when I decorate, the kitchen tour and everything. So right now I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I just got today from TJ Maxx, Amazon, things that came in the mail. But before that, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of when I was shopping the other day for some stuff. So let's roll that footage.
Last night, 4 o'clock in the morning. It's no good. Because I'm really him. Now what we gonna do though is we're gonna lock my sister out. Oh no 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 no.
No paparazzi, no paparazzi. So I'm first gonna be opening the Amazon packages because I ordered so much stuff, guys. I don't even know what came today. So let's see. Okay, so the first thing that came today, I got these glass jar containers. So this is gonna be for flour and sugar. It has the spoon attached and everything. And if you guys want the links to any of this, it'll be in the description. The next thing, I'm honestly not too sure. I'm thinking that this might be the labels for things, like labels for containers, because yeah, I'm pretty sure this is that. I don't know what else would be in a big white envelope. Yes. Oh look, it says baby food on here. There's no babies around. Look. This is, if you can see, okay, yeah. So it just has like all the labels of different, you know, things that are just in your house that you can label. I'm not sure what's in here yet. Let's open it and see. Oh, this is actually the sink caddy. So you suction this to your sink and you can put like, I'll show a photo so you guys can see it, but you can put like, why am I blanking? Like a sponge, or you know, just something that you have to clean your sink in here. So I'm excited to get this up. Next package. Oh, actually this is our bed skirts. This is even for the kitchen. This is our bed skirts. Okay, yeah, this is it. It says stackable storage. Heavy. You know what, let me get scissors. Never mind, didn't need scissors. Strong. Anyway, okay. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so it came with like these labels, but I don't really like these labels. So that's why I got the other labels. And it came with a really sweet note saying Dear valued customer, thank you so much for ordering from us. Hope you enjoy it. Our team are always blah blah blah. Thank you. Kidding. Our team are always willing to provide you with the best service. If you have any suggestions or questions for our products, we welcome you to email us. We will offer you a satisfied solution within 48 hours. Thank you so much. Okay. These are so pretty, guys. Okay. So I got 6 of these. 6 of these nice little jars that open like that. So this will be for our cabinet organization. They're smaller than I remember. You know what? I think I'm forgetting something. All of the stuff that I ordered on Amazon. Some stuff is coming tomorrow and some other days. So I'll keep you guys, you know, updated on all of those. But I'm trying to see if I ordered larger ones because I feel like, okay, I didn't. Okay, I'm stupid. I did not. And I should have got taller ones because I don't exactly know what we're putting in here yet. Honestly, I just saw some really nice stuff on Pinterest and was like, let's get it. So we'll see what I put in here. But it'll probably just be, you know, little things that can go in there. Oh, and then they also gave like this dry erase marker too. The fridge organizers, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. These are the fridge organizers, so this is a lot to open right now, but this is that. I'm very excited to put those in the fridge. And then let's see what this is. Okay guys, so I'm really excited for this. Okay, I need to stop my recording starting with okay guys. Guys. This is the cutlery board that I got for the drawer for our cutlery to go in. So we'll see how it fits because I didn't really do any measurements. I mean, I did do measurements, but then I didn't look for something that measured to that measurement. So hopefully this will fit. The next thing, this is actually a nice like drawer, organizer bin with drawer. I think I was gonna get 2 of these, but my family advised me not to. Oh, it's 2 of them. It is 2 of them. These little slots, like organizer slots, I guess you can call them, because see, it's supposed to look like that. 4 little slots. So I guess that you gotta do a little makeshift your own stuff here. So that's good. All right, moving on to the things I got from TJ Maxx. First thing I got is this fridge organizer, another fridge organizer. I'm obsessed with fridge organizers, and I just wanted to get as many as I could so that I could, you know, just make sure I have everything. The next thing I got is a clear milk bottle. Like, guys, this is so cute. It's so cute to me. You can put a lot in here, but I'm personally gonna be putting my almond milk. Okay, so that's that, which I just find so cute. She wrapped this. I also got this honey jar and dipper. So it's so cute. It's like a cute little honey thing that you just like take your, you get the idea. You take the honey bee spoon thing and pour the honey wherever you want to pour it. So this is really cute and really cheap too. Guys, TJ Maxx, yeah. Next thing I got is just this nice basket. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I think I might put this in the cabinet or bathroom. Something to like just store things. But I think I might put snacks in here. That'll be cute. My mom got some granite cleaner for our new granite countertops. My mom also got the shower liner, and she got these really cute honey spoons that you put in your hot cup of your favorite beverage. Unwrap the spoon and place in the hot beverage so that it's just so cute. Like, look at that. I'm excited to try that. A lot of money. When I got 2 of these huge containers that fit with the aesthetic for only $12.99. Like, come on, guys. What a bargain. That I got these really cute 2 mugs for me and my sister because we just always want to be in the fall spirit. I mean, who doesn't want to be, you know? La la la. Oh my god. That was the supposed to be a Gilmore Girls reference, but I couldn't remember the beat of it. Anyway, this is some really nice Halloween fall mugs. Next thing I got is a cereal holder. We're not like too big on cereal, but I love cereal, and only cereal I'm really gonna be eating is Honey Nut Cheerios. Honey Nut Cheerios, which thing, and I wanted the one that like clips, but it was like $50 more in this. No, I'm joking, guys. But it was like 10 more. So I was like, let me just get this, and look, it twists. It twists. Oh, so very cute. All right, we're finally kind of reaching the end because wow, this, I feel like I just went like, I went ham in there, I guess. I knew I did, but like, what the heck? Okay, so then I got this mixer because we had a mixer, but, oh, sorry. But I threw it away because I wanted a new one and it didn't fit the color. So, got this. This one, this was so great. I got 30 pack hangers for only $12.99. And then this I got for our bathroom. I got the like cute bamboo shower caddy. So it's 3 levels, super cute. The last thing from TJ Maxx, and I think all together for the most part. Of course we have some other things on the side, but for the most part this is the last thing. This is just a 3-piece cutting board. We did bring cutting boards from our house, but I wanted more aesthetic ones for when I'm doing YouTube videos or TikTok videos. So I got a 3-pack, and I'll try to link everything below. Hopefully I can find this stuff on TJ Maxx online and link it. But if I don't link it, I'll try to find something similar. And if I don't find something similar, you comment down below and I'll tell you. I don't know, child. I'll do it. Now let's get into organizing. I just wanted to show you guys, what I got to organize and, just put some things in place. But I will be doing another video where I'm showing how I organize. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. For watching, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and that you hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a new video. Also, follow all my socials. They are down in the description and right here on the screen. I will see you guys with the next video.
It's been a long time now. We've been going at it 10 years. Don't say I didn't try. I put aside my pride, but there's no easy way to say goodbye. As you know that